Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds 2. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put the earbuds into pairing mode. The buds are in the case. Let me open these up. Now I'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of the buds are blinking blue, 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 blue. I get a solid blue light on both, and then the lights are going to turn off. The reason is because I'm connected to a different device. So for myself, I have to manually put this into pairing mode. So what I'm going to do is take out one of the buds. It doesn't matter if it's the left or right one. Just take out one of the buds. And then what you want to do is tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until both the lights start blinking blue. We'll do it together. Ready? I'll just use the right one here. I'm going to pull it out and then I'm going to tap, tap and hold. Now keep holding for like 10 seconds or so, or just wait until both of them start blinking blue. I usually have to do this like 2 or 3 times, but just hold for 10 seconds. If nothing happens at 10 seconds, then we have to do it over again. Okay, nothing's blinking here. Let me go ahead and let go. I'm gonna do it again. Ready? Tap, tap and hold. Now I'm holding. Waiting for, there we go. I got it the second try. Now they're both blinking blue. Now I'm gonna leave it just like this. So it's in pairing mode. Both of them are blinking blue. Now we're gonna shoot over to the computer here, and you just wanna do a search, bottom left-hand side. We're just gonna go to Bluetooth now. Just type in Bluetooth and then Bluetooth other device settings. That's what we want on top. Let's select that. Now from here, make sure you go to Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're gonna click this plus sign where it says add Bluetooth or other device. Let's tap on that. And then from here, we're gonna select the first one, Bluetooth. Select that, and now you see this line going across there. Now it's searching for a device that's in pairing mode, and it'll show up here. These buds are still in the pairing mode, they're blinking blue. Oh, there it is right there. So that's the one we want. It's the JBL Tune Buds 2 Audio. Okay. So let's go ahead and select it. It's connecting. Device is ready to go, and we are now connected and ready to go. And you can see it right here under audio, the JBL, and you can see that's connected. It took a while to pop up here, so I had to wait like 15 seconds and it finally showed up there. Anyway, there you go, pretty simple. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put into pairing mode or you can't connect, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link or the description area for that link.